flooded all right.
You drive under the bridge a bit. Smell the rain.
Actually, you're going to get out.
Yeah.
Shit flows down the river.
We had a boat ramp, we had a place to go gutting and things to fish, which is over there, but now we don't. It seems to have flooded the boat ramp and everything else in its path, which is absolutely remarkable considering we've had some fine weather. So this is completely unexpected. Goodness me. Oh, far out. I didn't think it would be like this. I mean, sure, we haven't had a disaster like some areas, but it's pretty full on for Wauchope. Goodness. I am. Can't see the boat ramp at all. Far out. Huh. I don't really want to go too much further because I'll just end up in the river. So that was the boat ramp, and I'm not even zooming in. The rocks, the place where we fillet the fish,